All right, what's up, guys? Donatello's Workshop RC, David here. So this will be the final installment of the Dirt Cross build series. I did gear this up last night and I took it for a run and I didn't film it, and I was impressed, and I didn't film it because I was kind of on a walk. So I was doing it with my wife and son. You know, we go on walks, and then sometimes I film, a lot of times I don't, but just kind of enjoy the outside and walk around the block with Bear, the dog. Anyways, it did fit the 28 tooth pinion, okay, and interesting. So the 28 fit, and I feel like I wasn't sure if it was going to. It ended up having more adjustment space than I thought it did, and there was still a little bit left. So, you know, the 28 is like perfect. It runs really good like this, and I'm going to show you how she runs. It's pretty nice and fast. Still like controllable, doesn't feel over geared. You know, didn't get too hot, that sort of thing. But, you know, it's almost as if it was pretty tight in there, okay, when I got the 28 tooth in there, coming off of 26, okay? And there was a little bit more room though, like, so maybe, guys, maybe you could do a 30 tooth, but I don't know. You'd have to try. I have a 30 tooth, but it's on something else, so let's get this out there and take it for a rep. You guys can see how it goes. All right, she's ready to go. Let's do it. Yeah, this thing looks good. This thing's dope. Tires and wheels worked out good. Come on, Barry, you want to come? We're just going on a quick one. Come on. It worked out good. This was a fun build. Everything went together pretty well. The baseline right out of the box was pretty good. All right, so here we go. 28 tooth pinion on the stock spur gear. Oh my gosh. Got to warm up the tires, remember, Dave? Okay. Warm up the tires a little. Ease into the throttle. There you go, check that out. Shit's dope, watch. Oh yeah, she's freaking fast. I love it. Handles good too. Well, this will be a quick one. Just wanted to demonstrate the gearing, speed. It's really fun to drive. Handles really good. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. I don't want to break a freaking bulkhead. She took it, huh? Shit. That was crazy. She is a bit of a handful. Let's do a few of these corners. Going to see the new Karate Kid tonight. Bear, come here. What do you think about that? Shit handles. I was being pretty aggressive on the throttle, I'm gonna be honest. That's why it's a little squirrely, but... Oh, yeah! Yeah. It is silty out here, but a little finesse and you can get this, watch. So yeah, it's pretty fast. Can you guys tell? Oh. Oh boy. You know, I was pushing it. Oh my God. That was so close to the curb, that was insane. Fun. So, there you go. We can keep this one short. Yeah, with this kind of speed and power, it's a little bit of a handful. I'm not gonna lie. It's fun though. You gotta finesse it just a little. freaking fast though. Look at it bite. Oh dude, I lost it, but sat into body roll, was biting. Lateral grip. It's got it. Oh yeah. Dude, I almost, oh my gosh, what in the, gosh, I'm gonna break something. Dude, this thing's pretty tough. Now what, do I need to tune the suspension a little differently again? Cause it's freaking firm up the front maybe. Oh boy, now it's the rear that needs to be firmed up, huh? Did you see that? It was crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try and get them somewhat even. People are starting to come home from work, so I gotta get out of here. It's gonna get too busy. Cars everywhere. Now that I got all this speed, I'm gonna have to that wasn't too bad. Trying to test the suspension. I freak people out. There we go. Yeah, the rear needed to be firmed up just a little, huh? Yeah, it's freaking fast. Fun. Here, we'll find bear. Yeah, good stuff. Being pretty aggressive on the throttle, and I'm not driving that great. testing out the handling at speed, you know. It's got some sway. I think it could do with a rear sway bar. I really do. I think it could. I think a rear sway bar would fix that right up. That weird rolling characteristic that it's got. Now that I've got this much speed and power, I really think it would benefit. So maybe that'll be our next project for this. Procure the rear sway bar. We'll start with that and see what happens, see what it does. I think it would fix it right up. Man, this thing's fun though. I bet she's getting hot. Yeah, she's getting hot. You can just tell by the way it's behaving. All right, thanks guys. Cool. Check you later. Thanks for watching.